It's travel day and we are headed over to the beautiful island of Puerto Rico to visit my dad. This is our first time flying Frontier Airlines, and let me tell you, I did a lot of prep work. I'll share what I packed, how I measured everything to meet Frontier's bag rules, and how our airport experience went. So for my daughter, since she's rather small, all I have for her is this backpack. Everything that she is using fits all in that small backpack, which is a regular size backpack for school. I honestly am just packing her these dresses. I got them 2 for $8.50. They came two to a pack in Walmart. So I got her several packs of these. She has about 8 of these dresses. They're nice. They're made out of cotton. They're airy. They have pockets. So no 2 pieces, just 1 piece is the entire time that she is there. And I packed it all here so you can see, you know, there's this one, there's that one, a bunch of other ones. I have her swimsuit in here, her pajamas, and then her socks and her undies. And I think that's pretty much all I have for her because she doesn't require a whole lot. And sneakers, of course, sneakers. And for her, I'm packing her a pair of Crocs. But this is rather light. She already picked it up. I told her you're going to have to, you know, carry it on your back the whole time. I tested it with her and it's pretty good. And I still have some space up here, guys. Some space. So really light packing for her. And then today at the airport, she's just going to be wearing a hoodie just because it gets a little bit chilly. But Puerto Rico is going to be hot, so I didn't want her to bring a whole jacket with her because that would be unnecessary. For my son, he is also just using his backpack that he usually uses whenever we are homeschooling and he's lugging his things back and forth from his grandma's house. For him, I packed him some socks. All of our underwear I like to pack in Ziploc baggies like these, so it's very easy to find. And in here, all he has are his shirts that he's going to be wearing, and socks, and his swimsuit and his sneakers are going to go here. So that's pretty much all there is for him in this bag. So he will have some space for snacks. In our carry-on, I do have some pillowcases. I like to bring my own pillowcases anywhere I go, especially if there are pets, because I'm allergic to cats and stuff, so I get very sneezy. I got a mosquito net to me. This is like 100% essential when I go to Puerto Rico, so I'm bringing my own. And then I have Noah's pants. He has jeans. He has cargo pants. I love using compression socks for myself, for my calves. That really does help. So I have several packs of compression socks for myself. I have my pajamas, my skirts that I will be using. So I feel like Noah is a full-grown person now, so his stuff needs to go in a bigger carry-on like mine. And then my skirts take up some room, so I also put that in here. For myself, I got this backpack off of Amazon. It is looking really good, guys. It measures exactly the specifications you need when flying with Frontier. So I'm really excited about it. I'll let you guys know how it holds up after the trip, but I love it because it has like a handle here. It has pockets everywhere. And then the inside is set up almost like a luggage. It's just really good. Like, you know, it has these little strap things. And then it has pockets on the side. It has this little compartment over here. And then it has this compartment over here. And then it has this compartment over here too. That is like a waterproof one. So you can put stuff in there so things don't get wet. Another compartment over here. And then it has the little latches on the side for you to tie it together, which is super awesome. Now, I'm not packing super heavy on my backpack. I'm leaving lots of room because technically speaking, all of this can fit in my carry-on. And when I come from Puerto Rico, I always buy something. So I want to make sure I have space to bring things back. So I have my hat. I have all of my shirts in here, our bathing suits that we are going to be using, and that's about the extent of clothing that I'm putting in here. In here, I'm going to be packing these shoe buck bracelets for the kids to wear. I also have like allergy medicine. I'm bringing 2 different types of allergy medicines because, like I mentioned, I'm allergic. So I want to make sure I have the Allegra version of CVS, and then the Zyrtec version, some deodorant, toothpaste, and then the kids, I got some chewable Benadryl here just in case. I'm bringing my bug spray. I know that my dad probably has some over there, but I just have to make sure I have bug spray because we are up in the mountains and mosquitoes, like they sense when new fresh blood arrives and they will come and attack you. So I want to make sure that the kids have this and I have this when we first arrive. So I'm going to go ahead and be putting these in here. I have toothbrushes. I'm packing one extra for my brother. And I got these from Walmart, guys. I love these because look, they come with these lids that cover the toothbrush up. So it came 6 toothbrushes to a pack. I got it for about $4. And then 5 of them came with these cases to cover it. So I got that. I'm packing earbuds for the kids to wear when we're taking off and we are landing so that the ears won't, you know, it's supposed to make it easier. My sister said they're really good. So I got a kid size for my daughter and then a regular one for my son. I'm packing these lens wipes. My glasses are super important to me and I'm bringing my sunglasses as well. So I like to use these Zeiss, I think that's how you say it. I don't know, but I've been using these for a while and they're really good and it doesn't scratch my lenses. I'm definitely bringing my Epic Filters water bottle with me. I love this thing, guys. It is so good. And then my son has one now too. I absolutely love them. So I want to make sure I bring them with me when we are hiking or whatever, or just using regular water in my dad's house. I just want to make sure we have that. I have my little handle thingy for my camera and my GoPro, and then an attachment for my phone. I'm bringing my laptop this time around just in case I want to do anything in the airplane. I have a battery pack to have with me because I know Frontier doesn't have plugs. This is just my memory card reader that I use with my computer, earbuds, and of course my GoPro to get some fun and exciting footage when we are up on El Yunque or whatever excursions we're going to go on. Is it good? Is it everything you guys thought it was going to be?
Always everything else. It's so good.
So we're 45 minutes away from the airport. Getting the tummies filled. Sean and Noah getting their Panda Express fill. Right before we get on ready to head over to the Island of Enchantment. I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm excited. We're right outside. How are you guys feeling? Cold. It's cold. It's gonna be so hot when we get there. It is really cold.
Oh, this is scary. Look, what is high up?
But look at this. They have they're doing a whole display of guitars in the Cleveland airport. It's like, you know, the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame thing. So anyway, something that I'm really nervous about is this whole baggage size thing. I measured the bags at home and I did all that, but still, you know, just not knowing. So I know that they have little things that you can measure them in, but all we're having is our backpacks and then the carry-on that Sean is carrying for us right now. So I did all of our pre-check-in online, so my husband was just able to just drop us off, and we went through security very, very quickly. So it was so great to just be able to fill up these water bottles at any water fountain, knowing that everything was going to be filtered out, and then also have them available in our flights in case we got thirsty. There is a 20-minute delay apparently on our flight, so we have some time to explore the airport and see what all is in there. You're gonna get, okay.
Blue chips.
You got blue chips. feeling now?
After all that waiting.
Are you feeling more excited? More nervous? What? Which one?
All of them.
I'm
All of
feeling more.
them.
I'm feeling more.
You're getting
Excited.
more excited? Yeah. Here we go. Here we are. We're doing it. Prepare for landing.
But in the summer, it was hotter.
It's cold inside the airport, but the moment you come out here, it's hot.
And we're all wearing sweatshirts. It is always such an exciting moment when I get to see my dad once again. This is just the beginning of our Puerto Rico adventure. So make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell so that you don't miss what's coming next. We've got a trip to the beach, rainforest hikes, local food, and some unforgettable family moments to share. See you in the next one. Hasta luego, amigos. Bye.